Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use Apple Pay on Amazon. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, first access your respectful Amazon on any of your device that you would prefer. Now once you have done so, all you gotta do is simply go to your cart section and simply add the products that you would like to purchase. Now it's a very simple method. Simply proceed to checkout right over here. And now you have to do that. We're gonna be over here in this kind of interface where our details will be on top and addresses will be shown right over here. Once you've added the address, now you're gonna go to this payment method, which is the second option. Over here, you will find Apple Pay as one of the method for you to be paying for those products. And if another thing, it can be a problem when the place that you're buying or the shop that you're buying or the merchant shop that you're buying only does not allow Apple as the payment method, then only you won't be able to. But most of the stores and online stores definitely allow them. Go ahead, tap on Apple Pay icon, verify yourself, add in the amount and confirm it, and you will be able to pay with it. But make sure that you did had added a card to your digital wallet on your mobile phone itself on your Apple Digital Pay, and then you will be able to pay. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.